that after then, eh?
That's right.
It's like a little TV, yeah.
And one thing that's nice too, the tapes here go into a cassette and straight into.
What you doing? Merry Christmas. Hi, Kelsey.
Good morning, sweetie.
Look at you.
Merry Christmas.
Look at the time on in this video recorder. Somebody wasn't too excited about Santa Claus coming, obviously. You getting up?
No.
What's that? What you got? There's some light on the subject. You got your blankies? Ho ho ho!
Oh, ready to get up?
They appear to be to say the least. Seemed to be holding up well. She seemed to conduct herself with great grace and dignity in greeting the people who were kind enough to come to the church last night to say goodbye to her husband.
What's your baby doing?
You say Sonny, and the next part of that sentence almost always is and share.
It seems notable, Charles, that as you go down the list of the political candidates,
What's your dolly doing?
Cute.
You wanna dance? Can you dance?
That wasn't in it, was it?
Yay!
There you go, yay!
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 Scores!
Okay, time to color. Uh-oh. Oh. Where's Kelsey? Is Daddy getting you with the dirty face? You haven't even cleaned your face.
Let's get the dirty face.
Watch where you're going.
Yeah.
You're gonna go right to the bucket. Move over here.
Jump off.
Doesn't look all that clear, but I can't tell.
That's hard, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's a girl.
Kelsey,
Watch your step.
what a big girl.
Oh.
Hi.
Hi. Say hi, Mommy.
You coming down? Hi.
Whee!
Whoa, that looks like fun.
Say hi, Mommy. Say hi to Mommy. Come on, go on the swing. Mommy gonna get you on the swing? Okay, we'll put you on the swing. Nana didn't want to get in those movies, but
Sorry,
I guess I'll
Nana.
have to. Put your feet in there, though. No, no, not in there, hon. In there. That's the girl. Hold on right here. Right now. That's it. Hold on there. Okay. Whee! Say hi, Mommy.
Hi.
Picture of someone sucking socks, sucking fingers and putting socks on.
What you doing? You eating Jello? Say hi. Hi, sweetie. Do you want to see yourself? Okay. Let me turn it over.
Like that.
Who's that? Wait. Say hi, Kelsey. Show them how good you eat Jello. Yummy. Are you waving? Hi. Can you say Barbie? What did you say? Barbie. I don't know how you know that one. Barbie, yeah. Say bye-bye. Bye.
Where you going? You can't see where you're going. You're gonna hurt yourself.
What are you doing?
No fury. Life sold out.
It's sold out. Saturday, January 24th, live and only on pay-per-view.
I don't think you can move that case of pop.
Well,
You put them back? Thank you. Looks so pretty. Look at Kels. Mommy will put it on. See? Does Kelsey want it now? No?
You step through those ropes, and things do happen. And over 2 rounds.
Watch where you're going. Oh, jeez. You okay? Are you okay? You're tired. Uppy.
I'm wounded.
Mommy doesn't want to be in the picture, Kels. Otherwise, she'd come get you. Bells. Shake the bells. Can you jump? Jump for Daddy. Jump. 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 Oh, you got them.